Hello everyone, I am Harinath.
I am Lalakrishna.
I am Dhruva Prashant.
This is an AI-powered vacuum cleaner.
AI-powered vacuum cleaners revolutionize cleaning with smart technologies. These robotic devices uses AI and sensors for efficient navigation and obstacle detection, ensuring thorough cleaning while saving time and effort.
They offer features like avoiding objects, faults and make them ideal for homes, offices and commercial spaces.
Despite some initial costs and maintenance, these devices enhance convenience and hygiene. With ongoing advancements in eco-friendly devices, AI-powered vacuum cleaners are set to redefine modern cleaning solutions.
They work with the help of Arduino Uno, ultrasonic sensor, servo motor, DC motor driver. So that's all about our project. Thank you for paying attention on our presentation.